Tile Up, How to Play. To set up the game, check out this video. The object of the game is to get the most points by placing tiles that match the shapes on the goal cards. On your turn, choose one of the following actions. Draw one goal card from the top of the deck and place it behind your screen. Draw 3 tiles from the tile bag and place them behind your screen. Place any number of your tiles on the game board. When you choose to place tiles, you may place any number of your tiles on the board one at a time. You must place a tile adjacent to at least one other tile that is already on the board. You may not place tiles diagonally. You may also stack tiles on top of other tiles so long as the 2 tiles are different colors and the tile on top has a lower number than the tile it is covering. The number 1 tile is the lowest number in the game. You score points by matching a goal card to the tiles on the board. Everyone can attempt to score the 2 face-up goal cards, but only you can score the hidden goal cards behind your screen. When you score a face-up goal card, immediately replace it with a new one from the deck. There should always be 2 face-up goal cards available. Discard the scored goal card to a face-up discard pile next to the draw deck. You must match the shape and colors of the tiles as depicted on the goal card. Score 1 point for each tile that forms the shape, including all covered tiles. The higher the stack of tiles, the more points you will score. When forming a shape to match a goal card, the shape may not have extra tiles of the same color adjacent to it. For example, you cannot form an orange T shape if there is an extra orange tile on any space adjacent to the orange T. You only score goal cards on your turn. You may score any number of them before, during, and/or after you take your action. You are allowed to score without placing tiles. After you score a goal card, immediately add the points earned to your score on the score sheet and discard the card. When your turn is over, the player to your left goes. At the end of your turn, if you have more than 7 tiles or 3 goal cards, you must discard until you have 7 tiles and 3 goal cards. Discarded tiles are returned to the bag and discarded goal cards are placed face up in the discard pile. If the draw deck runs out and you need a new card, flip the discard pile face down without shuffling it to form a new draw deck. The game ends at the end of a player's turn when all 4 corners of the board are covered by tiles. Then, the player with the highest point total wins.